If you need to find your Epic Games account ID, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to locate it using the Epic Games website, step by step. This is useful if you need your account ID for support, verification, linking services, troubleshooting, or account-related settings. And the good news is that it only takes a moment once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, click Sign In and log into the Epic Games account you want to check. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu where you'll see several options related to your profile and settings. From that menu, select Account. This will take you to your account management page where you can view important details tied to your Epic Games profile. Now, on the account page, look for the settings section. Inside that area, find account information. Under account information, you should see your account ID listed clearly. This is the ID you may need for support requests, account verification, or other platform-related tasks. Once you find it, you can copy it if the option is available, or simply write it down so you have it saved for later. If you don't see it right away, double check that you're on the correct account and that you're viewing the full account details section. That's really all there is to it. You've now found your Epic Games account ID in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.